Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Right, so I've made a couple adjustments to my setup, and we are on page 25 of Standard of Excellence, Book 1. Starting with That's a Rap, using, we're in the key of E, and we have lots of slurs. 4/4 and a volume of forte. And moving on to Wolly, Doodle, we have a first and second ending with repeats. There should be a foot stomp and clap part, but I'm not going to worry about that. And moving on to Volga Boat Song 109. Nice and smooth, kind of a dark minor sound. We're actually in D minor here. D minor, like F major, has one flat. Right, and 110, you come up with your own composition for parts of it. It's hand clapping, knee slappers, and you come up with your own timing for it. Used to be Kookaburra in the original publication of it, and there were some copyright issues on it. And Bruce Pearson told me that he worked really hard to make sure there weren't, and apparently there was one international copyright issue on that song. So now they won, and it's out of the book, and kids don't get to learn it. Not the best policy in my personal philosophy there, but here we go with 111. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.